Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing how to install our MySQL in a Windows system. Okay. If you see my previous two videos like introduction and without installing MySQL, how you can able to use that, all the things I have shown that. Okay. In this session, we are going to learn about how to install our MySQL Windows system step by step. Okay. For this first step, we have to open any browser. Okay, with the Chrome, any browser. For me, is Brave. That is the reason I'm using for Chrome. And here you need to type MySQL downloaders. Once you use that, automatically like mysql.com downloaders it will post. Okay, or else you can see MySQL download for Google search. Okay, the first link it will come and click it and automatically navigate into this location. Okay, this is a step two. Okay, and step three you have to click for MySQL community downloaders. Okay, once you click here, there are two things we can able to see. One is community server and MySQL install for Windows. These are the two options you can able to see. Okay. You can choose any one of them, but if you choose this one, right, it will download for latest version and there is no workbench. Okay, but here also similar kind of things and you can able to use that as well. Okay, if you see any older versions, you can click on downloaders, arches, and it will show you which is the old versions. It will be there. Okay, you can able to download that as well. Okay, in case if you require old versions and all. If you see my SQL downloaders, again it will come back to the same. Okay, and here you can click on this particular step. Once you click, it will navigate into this particular location. You can see Windows option, and here is there are two versions, 5 and 8. Okay, choose the 8 version. Okay, you can able to see here as well. MySQL final series with the MySQL installer. 8.1 uses MySQL productions and it's a zip adds installation will be presented. Okay, you can choose for any of these two. Okay, both will give you the same format. Okay, and here I'm choosing for this particular one. Okay, web, or you can able to choose for this one, community. Both are the same. Okay, but it will by default workbench also it will comes and here it will not be there and we need to reinstall. Okay, I'll show that how we can able to install for workbench as well. Okay, click this one. Once you click, it will navigate into this particular location. There are three options will be there. One is login and sign up and no, just you can start as a download. Okay, three options and here this particular option it will download without signing and this is the it will if you click the login if you have already Oracle um, things then you can able to log in case if you don't have Oracle account you can able to use for web account to sign up. You can use for your Gmail account and you can able to sign up and then you can log in automatically your EX. What it is comes and then I'll show you the execution steps one by one which I have already created. Now we go and see up to here is done, right? Once it is coming into DXC into your particular system, okay, click on double click and go to downloaders. There you can able to see. Okay, once you click the double click and it will show you in this particular window and choose as a server only. Okay, server only and click on next. Once you click the next, automatically navigate into in this particular first one. Okay, and here you need to click on execute. Okay, execute. Once you click the execute, it will execute and it will give you a server. Okay, you can able to see the green color. Then you can click on next. Once you click the next, again it will give you for another one ready to install and click on execute. Once you click on execute, then automatically you can able to navigate in this location. Okay. Click on next. Once you click on next, and you will see for the server. Okay. Click on next. Once you click the next, automatically it navigate in this location. Okay. Developer computer. Okay. And here you have to keep everything is set. Okay. Don't touch anything and click on next. Once you click the next, it will give you for create a strong username and password for strong password for your MySql. Okay, and then you can click on next. Choose first one only and click on next. Once you click, and it will comes to in this location. It will give you for your password is strong or not. You can provide whatever you require. Oh, your password you can password and confirm password and add user. Okay, you can use for anything and click on next. Once you click, it will ask you for whether you want Windows service name as what kind of name. Okay, just I typed something. Right, you can able to do for whatever. Okay, click on next. After once you click, and it will ask you for yes, yes, but let me review for the configuration level for the access, and no, I will manage for permission after the server configuration. You can choose the first option and click on next. Once you click on the next, automatically it comes into this particular location, apply for configuration. And you can able to see there is a execute button. Click on that. Once you click on that, and you can able to see for all the greens and finish. Once it is finished, you can able to see this particular one configuration is completed and click on next. And here is a final finishing. Okay. Once it is finished, everything is done. Okay. And here only one thing it is there, and we are not seeing for workbench connections. Okay. If you see for Windows clicking, okay, and here you can able to once you install that, you can able to see MySQL 8.0 command line client. This is the one you can able to see, but you can't see for workbench one. Okay. Workbench, how you can able to install and all, we'll see in the next video session, and also how you can able to connect with the server. Okay, by using for workbench. And if you see this one, and it will give you for this is the community installer one, not again it will go for the installer. Okay, and there we can able to see one by one. Okay, how you can able to do all the things. Okay, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.